make delicious keto and low carb recipes, and I take you along my keto journey along with me. I'm so glad you guys are here. To all of my new subscribers, I want to say welcome to you guys. And to those of you who have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscription button below. Click the notification bell right next to it so that you know every time I upload a new recipe. And don't forget to leave a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Well, today is going to be a really quick one as I purchased these. This is a product review today. Mr. Tortilla tortillas. And as you see that big number one net carb per tortilla. So I ordered these online and I'm going to be testing them out today. I'm not going to do anything extravagant. You guys, I just miss nachos. Okay, I just want some queso and some chips. So I'm gonna cut these buddies up. I'm gonna put them in my air fryer and I'm hoping they'll crisp up really nicely so that I can have some queso and some chips. And so if that happens, I'm gonna come up with a few more recipes and see what great things I can come up with these Mr. Tortilla tortillas. So for now, let's go ahead and see if we can get some delicious chips out of these. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so just taking these out of the package, one thing I do notice is that they are extremely thin. All right, so that's probably one reason why they're one net carb per tortilla, but they're extremely thin, as you can see. They're really little. I mean, this is my hand, and that's how it fits there in my hand, okay? So, but I'm still really excited. If I can get some chips out of this, then I am gonna be one happy lady. All right, so they seem to be sticking, so be careful when you separate them. And I did have these in my refrigerator. I don't know if that contributed to it, to them sticking like this. So just be really tender when you're pulling them apart. So because they are really small and I do want a snack, let's see, I had a pretty heavy lunch. I ate leftovers for lunch. And so I'm not really hungry, but I do want a snack. So let's see how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of these tortillas. So that's 6 net carbs, all right? So let's give these 6 a try. This should be enough. This should give me a pretty nice little snack. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. Cut them in half. And then cut them in half one more time. Okay, so that's a pretty decent sized chip. That'll give me a pretty decent sized chip, okay? All right, I've got my air fryer. So the first thing I'm gonna be using this non-stick extra virgin olive oil cooking spray, okay? I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna first spray down the inside of my air fryer, and I'm gonna lay these in a single layer at the bottom, okay? And I'll try to get as many in here as I possibly can. I don't know how they'll do if I'm just not sure how they'll do if I put several in there, but this should be enough to satisfy my craving for nachos. And from there, I'm gonna spray the top of them with olive oil. All right, and so we have a single layer of Mr. Tortilla tortillas. You know, I always like saying tortillas. I know that's probably not right, but I don't care. Just leave that alone. All right, so I'm gonna turn my air fryer on. I'm gonna put it on 400 degrees. I'm gonna let it cook at the highest temperature, and I'm gonna allow this to cook for let's try it out for 6 minutes because they're so thin, I don't think they'll really need that long. And we're gonna let that go. Hopefully we'll get some good chips out of here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let you guys know the nutritional facts. The serving size is 1 tortilla. It's 15 calories per tortilla. That I didn't know. Total carbohydrates, it's 3 grams total, 2 of those coming from the dietary fiber. 1 gram of protein. So that is 1 net carb per serving. The ingredients are all things that I do recognize. That's reassuring. There are a couple of things that I am going to do a little bit of research on. I'm just so, I see food differently now, and it's important for me to know what I am putting in my body. The good thing about this is I did just get this, and it'll last all the way through till December 18th, 2020. Trust me, this little package here will be gone by then, and I would have gone through probably a few more, but the shelf life seems to be pretty long. Yeah, it seems to be pretty long. All right, so I'm still waiting on these bad boys. I'll be back in just a second. All right, guys, we got 1 minute left. Oh, wow. These look great. These look really, really great. All right, I'm gonna salt them now while they're hot. So while they're nice and hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt to them. Give them a little toss. Oh, you hear that crunch, guys? I think I've got some chips. I'm so excited. Okay, let's give this a taste. Okay, here are our chips right here. I'm excited. So I just went to a local Mexican restaurant and ordered their family size queso. And I'm hoping that these are going to be all that I'm dreaming they will be. Okay. I've got nachos. I've got nachos. And they taste really good. I've got nachos. I'm so excited. Last one for now. God. You guys see that? Guys. Now, they also give us salsa. I'm gonna taste a little bit of salsa. I'm so excited. This is good too. Guys, we got chips on keto. And the amazing thing about this is you don't feel like you're substituting. These are really good. They're chips. It doesn't taste like a fake chip. It is really, really yummy. And I am so glad I ordered Mr. Tortilla. I'll leave in the description box how you can order Mr. Tortilla. I ordered mine maybe 2 weeks ago. They're in such high demand right now that it took them a while to get it out. So I think that they're, fully stocked now. So now is a really good time to get them. So anyway, guys, if you want chips on keto, if you're missing nachos and things like that, this is a great, great alternative. I mean, you're really eating chips. They're multi-grain, but if you want chip and dip, it doesn't taste like you're eating something that's not a chip, and that's what I appreciate about it. It's crispy, crunchy, salty, just like a tortilla chip, and I love that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always love it when you guys join me in my kitchen. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, I'd love for you to become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. You guys have a blessed and a prosperous week, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks so much for joining me, and until next time, bye. Yummy.